This is a Kenmore model 1755. This is a vintage all-metal machine. It has a 1.2 amp motor. It's a very strong vintage machine. I'm going to sew some fabrics for you here in a few minutes, and you can see that for yourself. It does have a couple built-in stitches. It has multi-point zigzag and blind stitch built in, as well as straight and zigzag, and it also uses the Kenmore cams. It does come with some cams here in a little book-like holder. I'll take the blind stitch out of there because the machine does blind stitch. Comes with both stretch and regular cams. It is a short shank machine. It uses basic screw-on feet. It has a class 15 bobbin. This little arm here is for the buttonholer, and it does come with a buttonholer here on the top part of your accessory box, complete with templates and the adapter throat plate. And it also comes with bobbins, a zipper foot, hammer foot, needles, the chain stitch adapter, and the center needle plate, and a seam guide. And it also comes with an emailed PDF copy of manual. Alright. And also, like any other Kenmore machine, this has phenomenal lift under the foot. There's 6/4 with a little bit of room to spare. And that's with your feed dogs up. Okay. Very nice, smooth running machine. Not industrial by any means, and we don't sell our machines as industrial, but they are heavy duty. Got the cam in, that's why. They are heavy duty, and these vintage machines will sew more layers than any new machine that you go buy, and they're going to last a lot longer for you because they are all metal. And they have a heavier motor. We have a built-in multi-point zigzag. This machine is also double needle capable, and I did some double needle patterns before turning on the video. And I will include that fabric sample, and you also get the double needle. And as I said before, this machine will also do stretch patterns. Put in a stretch cam. Flip it over to the cam setting. And here we go. Does have an adjustment on the back side of the machine to pull in or lengthen your design without messing with your stitch length. There's your stretch design, there's your multi-point. There's also some regular patterns in the cams, like an arrowhead, a scallop, a domino, different kind of patterns. Now, down to the heavy-duty stuff. I'll start with 6 layers of denim. I'm using a size 16 needle. This machine does use 15x1 needles, size 9 to 18. Six layers of denim, very nice stitch. 5 layers of woven upholstery with a rubber backing. Perfect stitch on that one also. And this is 14 layers of cotton. Here, working a little harder on this one. Still a perfect stitch. And last but not least, we're going to do 4 layers of leather. smooth as can be on that. And still a perfect stitch on leather. That is the Kenmore model 1755.